Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my YouTube Studio film setup. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in just a simple film setup for their YouTube videos. So this is what I have here. Let's start off first with the desk mount. So this desk mount saves a lot of space, okay? So the desk mount is connected to my teleprompter that you see right over there. And then I use my iPad with the teleprompter app. Behind it, I have connected to my Sony camera. So my Sony camera just screws onto the teleprompter, and then my Sony camera actually connects via a Stream Deck HD, or it's called the Envato HDMI, into my computer here. So with my computer, I use the OBS app to actually go ahead and record. So as you can see here, I'm recording. And then once I click on record, it actually saves the video file onto my computer so that I don't have to take the SD card out. It saves directly onto my computer. Now with the mic, I use the Shure SM7B, and that's connected to a mic stand, and then the mic is connected to the computer as well. So I'm using the visuals from my camera by using the audio of the Shure SM7B, and I'm connecting it to OBS, and that's essentially my film studio setup. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up a film studio. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.